A very good evening to ladies and gentlemen, whoever will be watching this recording, and to my honorable judge, um, Dr. Jamal and Mr. Kevin, and to my fellow debater, Priyashni. So today we will delve into the realm of mobile application development. We will be debating on topics based on cross-platform app development and native platforms. So I'm Esther and I'll be talking about cross-platform mobile application development, and Priyashni will be talking about native platform mobile application development. So let's start our debate. Moving on to our
Yeah, hi Esther. Today I'll be debating about native application. So the first thing is you all have to know what does it mean of native application. So it is basically a software developed specifically for a particular platform, which is used for our operating system or using the native development, that tools and programming languages that provided by that platform. So to talk about the performance of native application, so it is based on the device hardware and native APIs. So it is resulting in a faster execution and smoother animation. The performance is mainly which contains of graphics, gestures, and also it is very suitable for gaming. Next, I'll pass to the next debater to talk about her cross-platform performance.
so to speak before speaking about cross-platform application performance based on Priyashini's point just now, I would like to pinpoint on certain performance-based points for native applications. So native applications are inherently limited by platform dependencies, resulting in variations in performance across different devices and operating systems. Uh, it also develops separate code bases for iOS and Android, which duplicate efforts and resources, leading to inconsistencies in performance optimization and device compatibility. Native development often requires more extensive testing and optimization efforts to achieve comparable performance to cross-platform applications, resulting in longer and higher costs. Um, so performance-wise, why cross-platform applications are very effective? So because gone are the days where uh, so why cross-platform is better compared to native applications in performance. Uh, my point on performance for cross applications is cross application uses Flutter and React Native. This framework often revolutionized cross-platform development by offering uh, native-like performance, which helps users to have a smooth performance using this framework or even on cross-platform development, just like they had on native uh, uh, applications, native development, and also um, they have a smoother animation, faster load time, and overall enhanced user experience. Uh, Also, second why performance of cross-platform is better than native application is optimized compilation process. So modern cross-platform frameworks employ sophisticated compilation techniques to generate highly optimized native code. This ensures the performance overhead typically associated with cross-platform development is significantly reduced, if not eliminated entirely. Third is the hardware acceleration. Cross-platform frameworks increasingly tap into device-specific features and hardware acceleration capabilities. By harnessing the full potential of underlying hardware, cross-platform apps can deliver snappy performance across a wide range of platforms. Then, fourth is the unified code base. One of the inherent advantages of cross-platform development is the ability to maintain a single code base for multiple platforms. This is not streamlined. This not only streamlines development efforts but also facilitates consistent optimization and performance tuning across all supported devices. In conclusion, the notion that cross-platform development lags behind native platforms in terms of performance is outdated. With the advent of cutting-edge frameworks like Flutter and React Native, cross-platform applications now stand toe-to-toe with their native counterparts, offering stellar performance without compromising on versatility and efficiency. That's all from me. I'll
So, as per what you said, even cross platforms having some disadvantages. So, one of the disadvantages that I can pinpoint here is cross platform won't support some of the features and the functionalities of the operating system. Advanced features are always required for additional, especially for hardware components. If it is based on native application, it is not like that because it used to support hardware system mainly. So, other than performance, I would like to talk about the time development of native application. It used to consume time during the development because of separate code bases takes longer time because of the testing, debugging, and to ensure the UI or UX consistency across the platform. To consider as cross platform, the disadvantages is if the tools are having any updates or changes in the system, however the apps looks good, it is still will raise a problem. So the developers always have to pay an attention to fix the bugs to solve the issues. That's all from me.
Okay, so just now, Priyashni said there's some disadvantages in performance of cross-platform since it doesn't have direct access to the hardware and hardware components for cross-platform applications. Let me say something on that. While native applications historically boasted superior performance due to direct access to platform-specific APIs and hardware, the performance gap has significantly narrowed with the advancement in cross-platform frameworks like Flutter and React Native. Cross-platform frameworks now utilize native components and optimized rendering engines to deliver performance that rivals, if not surpasses, that of native applications. Furthermore, the performance overhead associated with cross-platform development is outweighed by the benefits of code reusability. And furthermore, the performance overhead associated with cross-platform development is outweighed by the benefits of code reusability, streamlined development workflows, and faster time to market. And just now, Priya also spoke about the development time of the native applications. Let me say something about native applications development time. Developing native applications for multiple platforms requires separate teams, tools, and workflows, leading to longer development cycles and higher costs. Native development often involves platform-specific nuances and intricacies that necessitate specialized knowledge and expertise, resulting in longer onboarding time for new developers and higher maintenance cost over time. The fragmented nature of native development can lead to inconsistencies in feature parity and user experience across different platforms, acquiring additional resources and efforts to maintain. So to speak about cross-platform development time, since uh, cross-platform use single code base for multiple platforms. One of the primary advantages of cross-platform development is the ability to write and maintain single code base that can deploy across multiple operating systems, unlike native web development, where separate code bases are required for each platform, for example, iOS and Android, and etc. So cross-platform frameworks allow developers to write code once and deploy it everywhere. This not only eliminates the need for redundant code, but also accelerate the development cycle. Code reusability. Second is code reusability. Cross-platform framework facilitate maximum code reuse across different platforms. Developers can write logic, implement features, and design user interfaces using a unified code base, thereby minimizing duplication of effort and maximizing efficiency. This cohesive approach to development ensures faster iteration cycles and shorter timeframes for project completion. And also, third is unified development environment. Cross-platform development fosters a unified development environment where developers can leverage common tools, libraries, and resources across all platforms. This eliminates the need for platform-specific IDEs, SDKs, and debugging environments, simplifying the development workflow and reducing overhead associated with context switching. Fourth is efficient maintenance. By maintaining a single code base for multiple platforms, developers can streamline the maintenance process and implement updates or bug fixes more efficiently. Changes made to the code base automatically propagate to all supported platforms, ensuring consistency and coherence across the entire application ecosystem. So in summary, development time advantage offered by cross-platform development cannot be overstated. By embracing a unified approach to code-based management, leveraging code reusability, optimizing the development workflow, cross-platform applications empower developers to deliver high-quality software in a fraction of time required for traditional native development. So that's all from me.
So other than development time performance, I would like to talk about native applications cost. So as per cost, it charge high because of the performance. So the higher performance and the reliability makes the cost increase. This is because to increase user satisfaction and also user experience in this.
So to oppose Riyashini's point, developing native applications for multiple platforms incurs higher development and maintenance costs due to the need for separate teams, tools, and resources. Native development often involves platform-specific licensing fees, development kits, and testing devices, and further increasing an overall cost of the project. The fragmented nature of that native development can lead to inconsistencies in user experience and feature parity across different platforms, resulting in higher support and maintenance costs over time. So to explain about the cross-platform development cost, there's a unified development effort. So first is cross-platform development eliminates the need for separate teams dedicated to building and maintaining applications for different operating systems. Unlike native development, where distinct expertise and resources are required for iOS, Android, and other platforms, cross-platform framework enables developers to work collaboratively on a single code base. This consolidation of effort minimizes the overhead cost associated with the team management, training, and coordination. And second is reduce development cost. By leveraging cross-platform frameworks such as React Native, which is Facebook is using right now, and Flutter, which is Google is using, organizations can significantly reduce their development expenses. This framework offers a wealth of pre-built components, libraries, and tools that expedite the development process and lower the barrier for entry for developers, starting developers. Moreover, the use of single code base for multiple platform reduces the time and resources required for coding, testing, deployment, and resulting in substantial cost saving over the project lifecycle. Third is lower maintenance cost. The cost advantage of if cross-platform development extend beyond the initial development phase to encompass ongoing maintenance and support. With a unified code base serving as the foundation for all supported platforms, organizations can streamline maintenance efforts and deploy updates more efficiently. These translate to lower maintenance costs over time as changes made to the code base propagate seamlessly across all platforms without the need for duplicate efforts or redundant resources as in native applications. And the fourth is reducing improve return on investment. So by reducing development and maintenance costs while simultaneously expanding the reach of the application across multiple platforms, organizations can achieve a higher return on investments higher return on investments with cross-platform development. The ability to reach a broader audience coupled with cost savings achieved through a unified development and streamlined maintenance enhances the overall profitability and sustainability of cross-platform projects. So in conclusion, the cost advantage of cross-platform development cannot be overstated. By consolidating the development efforts, reducing overhead costs, and maximizing return on investment through broader platform coverage, cross-platform applications offer a compelling value proposition for businesses seeking to optimize their resources and maximize their impact in digital marketplace. That's all from me.
So to talk about the cost, I'm defending Esther because of even though it's a different multiple of platforms, it's consider higher performance based on that. So each performance, multiple performance required higher performance. So it causes a large amount of cost due to the high performance. So in the native application, I would like to talk about the user experience. So the user experience, the features and the gestures provides the use to satisfy the user. For an example, the developers will create the user interfaces separately based on need of each users in a very unique way and interaction of each platforms. So to talk about cross-platform, it used to run very slow and it takes longer to start and feel less responsive, especially if they use lots of graphics. This is because of the extra work needed to translate the code and get the app ready to run on the different devices. So that's all from me.
Just now Priya has stated about cross-platforms cost. I think there's something that that have to be explained for her to better explanation for further understanding. Cross-platform development reduces development costs by eliminating the need for separate teams and resources dedicated to building different platforms. By leveraging cross-platform frameworks like React Native and Flutter, organizations can achieve significant cost savings through code reusability, and streamlined development workflows and efficient maintenance practice. The broader platform coverage offered by cross-platform application enhances return on investment by reaching a larger audience with a single code base, thereby maximizing the impact and profitability of the applications. And also for the user experience, just now Priya has stated that cross platforms have poor performance based on user experience, and so cross-platform development ensures a consistent and seamless user experience across different devices and operating system by adhering to unified design principles and code-based management practice. By leveraging native components and adaptive design principles, cross-platform applications deliver a user experience that rivals, if not surpasses, that of native applications. The efficient update and maintenance workflows enabled by cross-platform development ensure that users always have access to the latest feature and improvement, enhancing overall satisfaction and engagement. Nowadays, in big industries, tech industries such as Google and Facebook also uses cross-platform application. It helps them to reduce their user experience across all platforms, so they can cover a wide range of users from all platforms, like from Windows, for Android users, iOS users, Apple users, and for every users they can have a smooth user experience while using the applications like Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat and whatsoever. So every of these applications are using a cross-platform development. They are not using a native application development which uses which have to be developed one by one for every application. They can't reuse the code in native applications. So to explain about the user experience for cross-platform, it has a consistency across platforms. Cross-platform development ensures that user encounter a consistent interface and future set regardless of the device or operating system that are using. By adhering to a unified design language and code base, cross-platform applications eliminate the fragmentation and inconsistency often associated with developing separate native apps for different platforms. This leading to a higher level of user satisfaction and engagement. Next is native performance. Modern cross-platform frameworks leverage advanced rendering engines and native components to deliver a user experience that is indistinguishable from native applications. Whether it's smooth animations, responsive touch interactions, and fluid transitions, cross-platform apps excel at providing a native-like experience across iOS, Android, and other platforms like iPhone or whatsoever. User benefit from the performance optimization inherent in cross-platform development without sacrificing the familiarity and intuitiveness of native interfaces. Unlike of native applications. And also the third is adaptive designs. Cross-platform development encourage the adoption of adaptive design principles, allowing applications to dynamically adjust their layout and behavior based on the user's device and platform. This responsiveness ensures the app interface remains visually appealing and functional across various screen sizes, resolutions, and orientations. By prioritizing adaptability and accessibility, cross-platform apps cater to the diverse needs and preferences of users, enhancing their overall experience, which is unlikely to what Priya has stated just now. And also the fourth is efficient updates and maintenance. Cross-platform also simplifies the process of updating and maintaining applications, thereby ensuring a consistent high level of user experience over time. So with a single code base serving as a foundation for all platform developers, for all platforms, developers can implement changes, fix bugs, and roll out updates more efficiently. This agile approach to maintenance minimizes disruptions to the user experience and ensures that user always have access to the latest feature and improvement, and which also prove that cross-platform have a better user experience compared to native platform applications deliver a seamless and delightful user experience that transcends the boundaries and device platforms, fostering engagement, loyalty, and satisfaction among users. So then I'll pass on to Priyashi.
Esther, somehow the user experience is very important for an user because the faster it works, the faster the smooth the interface will be. So based on native, the native application is run smoothly because of the performance. So if let's say for a cross platform, somehow the user experience will might less users lah. So why do native application is important and to be considered? Because it is recommendable for mobile games that need user interfaces and guidelines of any project highly recommended. So basically, if let's say any projects that needed regarding gaming, high performance, basically high performance needed based on the games, the performance. So we might use that is more it will be more functionable if it is a native application compared to cross-platform application.
Okay, so just now Priya mentioned that gaming applications uses native development applications. So to understand, you have to understand some some facts. It is true historically native development has been preferred choice for gaming applications, primarily due to the demanding performance requirements and access to low-level system resources that native development offers. Native game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine have long dominated the gaming industries, providing developers with powerful tools and technologies tailored specifically for game developments. However, it's essential to recognize that the landscape for game development is evolving rapidly, and modern Android, PC, consoles, and even web blur the lines between native and cross-platform development. Several successful gaming applications have been developed using cross-platform frameworks, demonstrating the viability of cross-platform development for gaming. For example, the popular game Among Us was developed using Unity and achieved immense success across multiple platforms, including mobile devices, PCs, consoles, and consoles. So this showcased the potential of cross-platform frameworks to deliver high-quality gaming experience across diverse range of platforms. Modern cross-platform frameworks have more significant strides in optimizing performance for gaming applications. Frameworks like Unity and Unreal Engine leverage native development has traditionally been the go-to choice for gaming applications. The rise of modern cross-platform frameworks has expanded the possibilities for game developers. By leveraging the capabilities of framework like Unity, Unreal Engine, developers can create high-quality game experience that rival those developed with native technologies, all while benefiting from efficiency and versatility of cross-platform development. Also, to state about the user experience, which Priya just now stated, that cross-platform has across all users from various platforms, which is totally deniable, because cross-platform serves a single user experience. It serves the same user experience because it has been developed with a frameworks that, such as React Native and Flutter, and so it it serves the same user experience such as Instagram. Instagram is a cross-platform development application, so it can be developed Facebook is also a cross-platform application which can be used across multiple devices. Is the user experience varying device to device? No, right? Every applications, every platform like Android, iPhone, iOS, everything have the same user experience when we use the application. So that is the power of cross-platform. Also, it reduces the time, the cost, to for the development, as I've mentioned before while I was explaining my cost point. So compared to native applications, if you want to develop application for you, so it's better to always prefer cross-platform because it uses code reusability and it cut down the cost and is very efficient. It can be developed in very quicker time because it uses frameworks like Flutter and React Native. It also can be used with a seamless user experience, with a high performance user experience compared to native. It can give a high performance user experience across platforms when the user uses the app from different platform mobile applications. So that's all from me. And to conclude about cross-platform applications, it is a suitable project which is limited budgets, efficient, and have efficient it also has efficient updates and upgrades. A single code base makes it easier to apply changes and updates across all platforms, and which cuts down the cost very much compared to native applications. So to conclude our debate, we have debated about cross-platform and native application points. Based on the points we have presented today, I suggest that cross-platform applications is more suitable and more efficient for maintenance and for development, and also helps entry developers to start off in developing for cross-platform applications when they want to develop an application, which also ease their burden of cost. And so cross-platform application is better, and it's also evolving and rapidly evolving, and it is very efficient. So that's it from our debate. Thank you.
Thank you.